Jigsaw M2M was set up in 2006 as a research and development company, specialising in the machine-to-machine communication sector and focusing heavily on the fuel management systems.
The most important reason to have a fuel management system is to manage the costs of your fuel, to know where that fuel is going, whether it's being used efficiently and whether it's being used by your vehicles and not being stolen. Overall, if you don't manage that, you're not managing your business properly. So that's the biggest reason why you need a fuel management system.
The Jigsaw system uses a mobile phone network to provide that real-time interface, connecting directly to the servers for a real-time management from the fuel terminal right the way through to the web design. So the information is passed instantaneously and all the information is live and up to date from around the world. The system's totally scalable, from a single site installation to a multi-site network. We've got installations in 18 to 20 different countries, all using the same operating system and the same technology.
The Jigsaw system's applicable across a number of market sectors. We've designed it so that we can configure it for mines, for airfields, for marinas, for haulage, for blue light systems, so that each of those users feels that they've got a system which is applicable directly to their business.
The system's highly secure, not only from the point of view of the actual hardware on site, but also the data that's transmitted. The data is encrypted, the web server is HTTPS protected, and it's a highly secure system. A typical Jigsaw installation can be as simple as an RFID tag for accessing the fuel pump, or it can be scalable into multi-lane support using various methods from long-range RFID scanners through to number plate recognition or third-party interfaces. It's quite a diverse system with many different access options, and we also interface to multiple different tank gauges. So we're hoping we've got a system that is scalable from a single individual user through to a multinational company. Jigsaw M2M is an R&D based company. We develop the product, the systems, the hardware and the web solutions that we offer. As far as the installation, sales and support of the equipment, we partner with our approved distributors who specialise in that market sector, bringing together the best of both worlds. Europump is one of our key distributors within the UK market. Offering a large number of installation support engineers is a perfect mate with the Jigsaw brand. The consequences of not having a Jigsaw system is that you lose the ability, or you don't have the ability, for real-time data, and not having the real-time information means it's very difficult to provide stock level management, theft detection, and notify people when and where they need to take action.